Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week, $3.99 into my envelopes, and I'm actually going to do a different amount this week, a little bit less, because I went to my brother's over the weekend, and him and his family gave me a gift card to Starbucks for $50, and I've been using that this week to fund my coffee for the week. So I actually haven't even used any of my coffee money that I budgeted because I didn't know I was getting that. So, which is good because I plan on putting that into savings, so you'll see that later. But this week, because I have been getting, since I had that extra money, I've been getting, like a couple times I did get a food item with my coffee while I was at work. So this week, I think I'm just going to put 10s. Yeah, I think I'm just going to put 10 in coffee, but all of my other envelopes are going to get the same amount. So spending is going to get 30, eating out 30, groceries 80, coffee is going to just get 10. But honestly, I still think that I have enough to carry me over this whole week. We'll see. Unless I buy food. That would be the only thing that would make it go over what I still have on that card. And then buffer is going to get 10. So yeah, that's what I plan on putting it in my wallet. That's going to get 160, and I already figured out the denominations on that one. Okay, so now to figure out the rest this week. So I have $2.39 left. Oh, actually I'm going to first start off in savings because I do have a couple of savings challenges in here that I'm working on. So I have a roll the dice challenge. This one I'm doing 15 in this challenge. So I'm just going to write that on the bottom. Roll the dice. That's going to get 15. And then the only other challenge I really have that I plan ahead for is the 100 envelope. And that one, I'm just going to do the lowest amount, which is 25. But I'll probably be able to go a little bit higher because I'm going to put money from my wallet that I have left over probably into this challenge. Okay, and then the only other thing I want to plan ahead for is this Go Wild one, which this week I really don't have a lot, and I want to try to get a little bit into every envelope. So this week I'm just going to do $10 for that one. Yeah, I'm almost to my goal for this one, so that's good. All right, now next I'm going to go into the black binder. And we got auto repair, which actually just took $500 to the bank from auto repair, and I'm going actually today to go get some service done on my car. So I'm just continuing to build on this one. I'm just gonna put 10 on this one. Christmas is just gonna get 5. Electronics, I'm gonna put 10 in electronics. Emergency, I have 870. I'm gonna put 10 in here as well. So basically, like anything that's really more of a lower priority is gonna get 5. So extra debt, this one's like the one that's gonna get the most. So this one's gonna get 20. And that'll put me to 260 with that. And we still got some time left at the end of the month to collect in here to make another debt payment. Furniture is gonna get 5. Rainy day, I'm actually gonna put 10 in here. And that one's done. I actually have to take care of my registration. Start taking care of that this month because it's due next month. Road trip, that's gonna get 5. I don't plan on going out of town anytime soon. Scentssy's gonna get 5. My subscriptions is gonna get 5. Treat yourself has 6. I'm gonna do 10. Always gotta treat yourself, you know? Even when you're budgeting. That's how I feel. You still gotta have fun. Or else what's the point? You know? So next is my white binder, which has more of my, like, these are the envelopes that I pull from the most. So I'm gonna do a video showing, I like to do videos showing how I spend from my envelopes, and this is usually the one that I'm pulling from to purchase things. So beauty, and this week I need to buy something for beauty. So I have 25. I also have a gift card to Sephora using thanks to my Fetch app. So if you don't have the Fetch app, definitely get that. I have my code down in the description, because all you do is like take pictures of your receipts and it gives you points, and the points turn into gift cards. So right now I have a gift card to Sephora for 25. There's this like cream that I like to buy. It actually lasts me about a year for this cream. So I'm almost done with it, and I'm gonna buy it with that gift card and with the money from here, which I'll probably show in a video. But yeah, it really helps to reduce the price, because it's like 50 bucks, I think, plus tax. So I have enough to get that. I have enough in cash, and then I have enough with my gift card to pay for that once I put this $10 in. So I'm gonna put 10 in beauty. Clothing is gonna get 5. Not a huge priority on that one. So is content, 5. Costco, I'm gonna put 6. I have 19 in here, but I'm gonna put 6, and I actually need to go to Costco this week. So yeah, I definitely need to put some money in there. Also, it's gonna get the leftover money from my groceries, so it's gonna get a little bit more than 6 this week. Disney, I'm not going to Disney until next month, so this is just gonna get, I have 42. Actually, I'm gonna put 8 just to get it to 50. Family, I have 54, so I'm gonna do 6 in family. Fun has 75, so I'm just gonna put 5. Gifts, my mom's birthday's coming up. She finally told me what she wants. Thank goodness. She wants like a pot, like some pot. I don't know. She sent me a link. My mom asked for very random presents, and so she is a little difficult to shop for, but thankfully she finally told me something. All right, so gifts is 10. Hobbies is gonna get 5. Actually need to spend from this soon, but probably more of an online purchase on Amazon. So I'll be doing that too this week. Holiday decor is gonna get 5. Home decor is gonna get 5. Household, I have 46, so I'm gonna just do 4 to get it to 50. And then I'm left with 20. Oh no, I'm left with, sorry, not 20. I have Target still. I'm just gonna put 5 in Target. 15. Okay, I'm just gonna double check my amounts. Okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna calculate this just to make sure that everything is good. Because sometimes, I don't think I double checked myself, and sometimes when I dock, I mess up. 5, 10, 15, 10, 20, 5, 10, 6, 8, 6, 5, 10, 5, 10, 15, 4, 5, 10, 15, and 25. Okay, minus 3.99. Okay, so I'm left with 15. So 15 of that's just gonna go into savings. So I'm gonna put savings, 15. and that'll be the full $3.99. At least that's what it should be. Now for the denominations, I'm just gonna do the denominations over here. So I have 10, a 5, 10, 10, 20. I'm gonna have a lot of 5s. It's 5, 10, a few 5s here, a couple 10s here, a couple more 5s. Okay, so this one's 6, so I need a 5 and a 1. We have 8, 5, and 3 ones. 6, 5, and a 1. Another 5, 10, 5, 5, 5. A 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then a 5, 10, 10 and a 5, 25, so 20 and a 5. And then 15, I'm actually gonna do, let's do, I want some 1s. So this is gonna get 2 5s and a 1 for 15. Okay, so now to add up all the tallies. So 50s I have 1, 20s 3, 4, 5, 10s 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 10s. 5s 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1s 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, let's see if this all totals out right. 5 times 20 is 100. 130. And then I think this is 50? 100, sorry. 100. 15. 50, 100, 130, 100, and 15. How? Where did I mess up? I definitely messed up somewhere. Oh my goodness, I swear. I did savings. I did 1 5, and it's supposed to be 5. My goodness. So this is supposed to be 19. I don't have my white out. Okay, so this is 19. And this is 19. I think that's where the missing 4 is. So 50, 100, 130, 119. $3.99. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna let me get a sticky note. That's why I like to triple check everything. Okay, so 50s, when I go to the bank, I'm just gonna ask for 50. I'm at 1, and that's, actually I'm gonna do times, that's $50. And then 20s is 5, and that equals out to $100. 10 is 13, and that equals out to 130. 5s is 20. That equals out to 100. And 1s is 19, and that equals out to $19. Total of everything is $3.99 when I go to the bank. So when I go to the bank, I'm going to ask for 150, 5 20s, 13 10s, 25s, and 19 1s. All right, so thank you so much for watching. It was a little bit of a struggle on this one, but it all worked out in the end, so I'm happy about that. And definitely, if you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos. I put out content every single day. I have planner-related content and budgeting-related content, so there's always something to watch on my channel. So I hope you choose to stick around and subscribe. And yeah, I hope to see you all in the next video, which will be the cash stuffing video of this. So hope to see you there.